Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how I made this third eye prosthetic using liquid latex and Instamorph. Instamorph is this moldable plastic thing. I got mine from Amazon and I'll link it down below. So I am starting off by heating up a little bit of Instamorph until it turns clear, then you can mold it. Now, when it's clear, it's a little bit hot, so be careful. I am rolling it into a small ball and just trying to mold it into the shape of an eyeball on my forehead. Yeah, I'm trying to make it as close to my eyeball size as possible, so I'm just taking off some parts if it's too big, and you can do the same thing. Instamorph is good that way. You can just reuse it and reheat it, and you can reshape it any way you want. And I'm just making sure it's the same size as my eyeball. And yeah, it kind of sticks to my forehead already, so I can see actually how it'll look. So that's for the molding. Now I'm just running it under some cold water to set it. When it turns white, then it's completely set. And yeah. Now for the painting, I'm using some acrylic paint and a small brush and a tiny pencil for the detailing because I don't have a small enough brush. And yeah, you can use any paint you want, but I just found acrylic to be the best for these things. And I'm starting off by sketching out the size of the eyeball with a little pen and just filling that in with yellow. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just paint it however you like. You can also paint it like to match your own eyeball. I'm just doing it for Bill, so I'm making a yellow eye. And I'm just doing some tiny detailing with the pencil and making the iris with some black acrylic and the pencil. I'm sorry I didn't film it from a better angle, just I'm filming on my phone, so it's a bit challenging. And it's not focusing, but there it is. Now I'm going to coat it with some clear nail polish to have that eyeball-y shine. And now I'm going to sculpt the eyelids out of eye clay. So it's kind of like foam clay. It's air drying. I use it for a lot of things. It's really useful. And I'm just sculpting out the eyelids out of this material to make them lightweight and the best shape they can be. And I'm doing some extra detailing with the small pencil. It's an IKEA pencil, by the way. And yeah, warning, this is my first time ever using liquid latex, so I'm a bit inexperienced with it. So this whole thing is just trial and error, and yeah, I'm learning as much as you guys are watching this video. And I'm just doing a first layer of latex, but before that I recommend cutting off the edges because I didn't think of that earlier. Yeah, and I'm just doing a few layers of latex to make it more skin-like. And now I am using cotton and latex, a technique that I learned from the channel Glam and Gore, to make the eyelid a bit more eyelid, you know. I don't know how to explain it, but you get the point. And I'm just coating it with more latex. And yeah, and I'm doing the other side. And the final layer of latex. And I dried it up a bit with a blow dryer because I wanted it to dry faster. And now I'm going to powder it. This is just some regular makeup powder, and you gotta make sure to powder everything, otherwise the latex just sticks to itself and it's very, very messy. And yeah, I'm just lifting it up a bit, bit by bit, and powdering it as I go. Yeah, I cut off most of the excess. Later I will cut off the rest of the excess out of it because I'm stupid and yeah, and I just painted it with some makeup. It's not the best, but I tried my best. And glued on some fake lashes. I took a powder pair to make it like Bill's 4 eyelashes. And that's it. As you can see, I just cut off the rest of the excess to make it just the eyelids. That way you don't really have to blend it in with your skin. It just looks like an eyelid. And if you have any more questions, comment them down below. This was a really good learning experience for me, so I'm hoping to make more things like this. Thanks for watching!